May 1st, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a domestic dispute. The same woman had made multiple calls earlier in the day, claiming her husband was trying to harm her. However, upon arrival, officers discovered that she was the one causing the problems.
Yes, on my right.
You grabbing that?
My right here.
You grabbing that?
Yeah.
It's my wife.
I understand that, but why? We could have figured all this out.
I just had it.
That
Now
wasn't
we're
the
back again.
that wasn't the problem earlier.
He's
Honestly,
not.
I have no idea where she's at.
She's upstairs.
She was upstairs. That's the last time
She
I
was,
saw
but
her.
now I don't.
You're fine with us going up and get
No,
talking
go
to her?
ahead, go in the house. It's fine.
wait
The
till
dog
13
is not. Where she go? I don't know. She could be anywhere in the house.
There is a closet. There's 2 closets in my room. 1 in my sister's
We about to go play fucking hide and seek. Yeah.
closets, and there's a ton of baths.
What's her name again? What's her name?
Donna! Donna!
Donna!
19 for 39. Flash market and stop road.
Donna! From under there. Get the from under there. Let's go.
Get
Get
up
out!
now!
I don't care. Stand up.
Stand up, put your hands behind your back. Turn around. Now, turn around.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Stop moving.
Okay. Well, you don't got to worry about that because you're going to jail.
Stop. Stop. Yeah, she's bleeding.
Oh, where?
He beat your knee?
He beat your knee?
He beat your knee, man?
Pull her right from the door. She's
Please,
holding on to it.
I'm not trying to do anything. Officer, woman, please, officer. I wanted to, please, can I talk to you? Please, a woman. A woman. A woman.
Walk.
A woman, please help me. Ow, ow, I'm not fighting.
on your back.
I'm not fighting. Ow, you're gonna break my... Ow, help. Help.
Sit up.
Jason, please don't let me be in there.
Sit up.
Baby,
Sit up,
please give me help. Please, baby.
Sit up, ma'am.
Please, baby, give me out.
Keep her there.
He said he would get me out.
Take some away.
No
Donna,
moving.
Donna, if you got a torn rotator cuff, how did you fight and rip yourself out of cuff?
He did it.
No, he didn't do that. You did that.
I've been working with this.
What? With what? You been working with what?
If I don't go when he says he's gonna kill me,
I know, but tonight you don't have to worry about that because you won't be here.
Time, please stop.
I just paid for everything. He's got no job, nothing. But I'm here to help and save and bring the family to put it back together. They all moved in here with me because they were homeless and they had nowhere to go.
You sound like a decent person if you did all that.
I love my family. I'll do
Good.
anything for my husband and my children.
Awesome. And then you'll get a
I have
bond.
no family. I have no one to bond
You
me
just
out.
said this is your family.
He's not gonna bond me out. He hates me.
You
He
said your
thinks I'm
sister lives
against
across the
him.
street.
My brother's gone. He doesn't live there anymore. Obviously, he moved out today. It's May 1st.
How would I know that? You just told me you lived there.
Jason, please don't do this.
What you need? Just okay.
For her. Tents and everything.
That's right.
The right one? Alright, we'll be gentle.
Ma'am, it's not up to him.
Jason,
you gotta go this way.
please.
Come
You're
on.
gonna walk towards the
Wait,
cruiser.
wait.
Up to Jason.
Jason, wait, no, give me pants. That's those don't fit me.
Ma'am, you literally gonna see the judge in the morning and get out. Don't make this bigger than it has to be.
Donna.
Wait, just don't let me cry.
What you crying?
Wait, I get out.
Come on. Stand up.
Donna,
3
come
more
on.
steps,
You got
alright?
to-
Stand up.
So you got. I'm gonna pull this up in the back. I'm not touching your butt. There you go.
Alright, Donna.